Picture your dream vacation, adventure, relaxation, memories for a lifetime. But one overlooked mistake can turn that dream into a nightmare, and it happens to travelers every day. Today, we'll reveal the 14 biggest travel security mistakes. Even seasoned travelers make them. By the end, you'll be smarter, safer, and ready to travel with confidence. Let's begin. Waiting for the perfect deal? You might want to think twice. Procrastination is your wallet's worst enemy. The longer you wait, the more you pay. Airlines and hotels hike prices as your travel date approaches. Dynamic pricing is real. Those low prices you see today, they won't last. That $500 flight today could be $200 next week. Prices can skyrocket in just a few days. Book flights and hotels 60-90 days in advance. This is the sweet spot for the best deals. Planning ahead isn't restrictive, it's liberating. You get the best options and peace of mind. Save your money for experiences, not last-minute markups. Enjoy your trip without the financial burden. Start your journey with peace of mind, not financial stress. Make memories, not regrets. Ignore visa processing times, and your trip could end before it begins. Embassies have unpredictable delays. Don't risk it. The moment you book your flight, research visa requirements. Apply at least 45-60 days in advance, and plan for delays. This isn't just paperwork. It's your ticket to adventure. Secure your entry and travel stress-free. Travel rules change constantly. Don't rely on last year's info. Airlines update baggage limits. Countries add new entry requirements. 48 hours before departure, check official airline and government websites. A 15-minute check can save you hours of stress and hundreds in fees. Don't let ignorance ruin your trip. Stay informed, stay welcome. Overpacking is a burden, physically and mentally. Lugging around heavy bags can drain your energy and dampen your excitement before your journey even begins. The stress of managing too much stuff can weigh on your mind, making travel feel more like a chore than an adventure. Instead, pack only what you truly need. Choose versatile clothes that can be mixed and matched, and keep your essentials close in your carry-on. Packing cubes and smart organization can make a huge difference. Your cabin bag should always have your passport, any necessary medications, a change of clothes, and your valuables. These are the items you can't afford to lose or be without. If your checked bag is lost or delayed, you'll still have everything you need to get by, and you won't be left stranded or stressed. Packing light means you can move freely, breeze through airports, and focus on enjoying your trip rather than managing your belongings. Don't let your stuff weigh you down or steal your joy. The less you carry, the lighter you'll feel, both physically and mentally. Remember, travel is about the experiences you collect, not the excess baggage you bring along. Choose freedom and let your journey be effortless. Travel insurance isn't optional, it's essential. Medical emergencies abroad can bankrupt you. Your domestic health plan won't cover you overseas. Read your policy, make sure it covers medical, evacuation, trip interruption, and lost baggage. Protect yourself and your loved ones. Insurance is the most important thing you'll pack. Free public Wi-Fi is a hacker's playground, filled with hidden dangers you might not notice. Your data, bank info, passwords, and even personal messages can be stolen in seconds without you realizing it. Get an eSIM or local SIM for a private, secure connection wherever you travel. Always use a VPN to encrypt your traffic and keep your information safe from prying eyes. Don't risk your digital life for convenience. Be smart, stay vigilant, and always be secure. Phones die, signals drop, devices get lost. Download offline maps and save key documents as PDFs. Print copies of your passport, visa, and hotel info. Write down your hotel address and emergency contacts on paper. Keep digital and paper backups separate. Preparedness means peace of mind. Don't let tech failure ruin your trip. When you set out on your dream vacation, a vague or unrealistic budget can quickly turn excitement into anxiety. Without a clear plan, it's easy to overspend, leading to regret and unnecessary stress once the trip is over. But with a little preparation, you can avoid these common pitfalls. Take time to research real costs. Look up average prices for meals, transportation, and activities. Use budgeting apps to plan your daily expenses and track your spending as you go, so you're never caught off guard. Book major attractions and experiences online in advance. Not only can you score discounts, but you'll also save valuable time by skipping long lines, making your trip smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, a budget isn't meant to restrict you. It's your permission slip to truly enjoy your vacation, knowing you're spending within your means and making the most of every moment. Choose to spend on what matters most to you, whether it's a special meal, a unique souvenir, or an unforgettable experience. Be intentional with your money, not impulsive, so every purchase adds value to your journey. In the end, the best vacations are rich in experience, not financial stress. Plan ahead, spend wisely, and let your journey be filled with memories, not money worries. Meeting new people is a joy of travel, but don't be naive. Scams and theft target the overly trusting. Use official taxis and buy tickets from authorized vendors. Be friendly, but trust your instincts. If a deal seems too good, it probably is. Protect your energy and resources. Warm awareness keeps you safe and open. You're a guest. Respect local customs and laws. Research etiquette, dress codes, and basic phrases before you go. Small gestures, like learning hello and thank you, open doors. Ignoring local culture creates barriers and can cause offense. Preparation shows respect and enriches your experience. Be a gracious guest, not just a tourist. Cultural awareness transforms your journey. Overscheduling kills the magic of travel. Leave space for spontaneity and serendipity. Don't cram your days. Plan 2 or 3 major activities max. Build in buffer time for delays and discoveries. The best moments are often unplanned. Let your journey breathe. Come home renewed, not exhausted. In emergencies, you need contacts fast. Create an ICE, in case of emergency group on your phone with embassy, insurance, and family numbers. Write these on a laminated card for your wallet. Keep a backup in your hotel safe. Redundancy is your safety net. Quick access can make all the difference. Crowds attract pickpockets. Don't be an easy target. Dress simply, leave valuables in the hotel, and carry yourself with confidence. Use anti-theft bags and keep wallets in front pockets. Stay alert, not distracted. Blend in, don't stand out. This isn't fear, it's smart travel. Move through the world with confidence and peace. Don't let FOMO drive you to exhaustion. Rest is essential. Take breaks, nap, linger over a meal. Listen to your body and mind. Slow moments are where you truly connect with a place. Give yourself permission to pause. Travel is about presence, not just movement. Enjoy the journey, not just the destination. You're now equipped to travel smarter and safer. This isn't about rules, it's about freedom and confidence. You're not just a tourist, you're a prepared global citizen. Carry this wisdom as your shield. The world is waiting. Go meet it, fully ready. Subscribe for more ways to travel smart.